She's officially back and she's here to stay, okay? What's up, Blooms? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the big day. I'm dyeing my hair back to brown and I am super excited. It was fun rocking the blonde for the past couple of months, but I am so ready to change things up again. If you're new to my channel and interested in seeing how I took care of my color treated hair, check out my color treated hair care playlist for product suggestions and styling options. But go ahead and sit back and enjoy this portion of the video. Later on, I'll be showing you how I took care of my hair after the salon visit.
If a paper crane can fly, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on.
way to work, but I just wanted to pop in and say hi. She's back. She's officially back and she's here to stay, okay? So this is the next day after I got my hair retransformed. This is the wash and go. I just fluffed it out a little bit, missed just a little bit of water just to open up my hair, and of course I picked it out a tiny bit, but this is what we're working with. I think this looks really good. The stylist basically went over all of my hair with the brown color that she used just to have everything look more even. My hair is a little bit darker, but I don't mind it. I'm just glad that I have my brown hair back, so I'm here for it. Let me know what y'all think of this wash and go. She didn't use a lot. It was literally 2 products. I didn't even get to see the leave-in spray that she used, but I know she went in with this like blue mousse or whatever, and then I sat under the hooded dryer. And last night I didn't get to show y'all, but I put my hair in a pineapple. I first tied it with a scrunchie and then I did my scarf and bonnet, but I did it up in a pineapple, and this is what it's looking like. I feel like there's really good volume right now. I'm just really happy to have my brown hair back, and I just love that the health of my hair is still intact. Like, so far my hair looks pretty healthy, it feels pretty good, so I'm here for it. Yeah, this is my outfit of the day. I have on this really cute cozy sweater, some slacks, and then I have my boots that I'm gonna put on when I go downstairs. But this is my outfit of the day. I feel cute and cozy and still professional. I got this sweater from Nordstrom Rack, I think, Nordstrom Rack. Very comfortable. I haven't worn this out yet, so it's making its debut along with my new hair.